trying to unseal the shingle just to attempt to repair. Shingle is completely tearing. The top lamination is delaminating and tearing. You can see I'm trying to separate this very carefully, and now we've got a hole here. Okay, shingle failed. Try the next shingle. See, it's not unsealed at all. Shingle was able to unseal, but it is severe mat transfer. There's no way the shingle will reseal, going all the way down, as you can see. And then here we had slight tearing. The same thing, severe mat transfer. And I'm just slightly raising on this. You can see the delamination between the top laminate. I'm going to try and lift it to get a hammer underneath. It can't be done. It cannot be done. As soon as you try and lift this at all, it just delaminates the shingle. There's no way to do spot repairs on this roof